Welcome back, fellow travelers. I am the Traveling Sam, and today I'm going to take you with me. We're going to be doing 31 days of videos, and then we're going to start doing that right now. Welcome to another vlog day. I'm here taking you inside the new storefront. I think it's a temporary storefront for the San Diego Padres. Haven't been here. I was going to the team store at Petco and it's closed. It's closed a lot of times and they redirected us to here. As you can see, it's small, but there is a lot of selection and I feel like it's still new, so they're still adding inventory. But yeah, let's check it out. So for day 3 of my 31 days of travel vlogs, I was hoping to take you guys to the Padres team store at Petco Park. Unfortunately, they told me that it was under renovation. They're renovating the Western Metal Supply building. So they have everything at this other location. I did talk to one of the workers there and asked out of curiosity what they were renovating, and they said it's the whole building. The team store will be more modern. The layout will be wider so that they can fit more cash registers, and I do agree, and I hope that helps with the congestion because it gets really crowded there, especially during big games. I did find a rendering of what it potentially could look like. I'll post it right here for you guys to see. Now the good news is that the new store will be finished and open by opening day, but if you find yourself in downtown and you're hoping to buy some Padres merch, this location is located at the corner of J and 11th. It's still pretty close to the stadium, and hopefully by the time you guys are seeing this, they have a more selection. I feel like they were still unpacking their inventory when I was there. For those who love a good sale, this whole room here is half off of everything. So if you go visit, make sure you look into this room. Everything's half off. I will put all the information on how to get to this temporary team store in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my other 31 videos for this month of January.